Of course, when you get your plant box, you'll have full instructions in the box. But here's how it works. Got your trough, find the two big end pieces. They're numbered 2 and 3, so they go on each end, like that. Position the top bit first, and then click it in at the bottom. That's going to let PlantBox sit really firmly. Now find your shelves, and you've got a short piece of felt. That threads through, and the idea of this is that the bottom of that will sit in the water, and then the water wicks up into the soil. Got little notches at the back of the shelf, so they just sit in like that. Got 2 of those, so they sit in next to each other. Then you've got a longer piece of felt that lays across the top, and that's going to make sure that your soil is really evenly watered. Next, get your little water indicator float. Got the float at the bottom, and that's the bit you're going to see from the outside, and it just drops in, and it will really freely move up and down. Got your 2 divider pieces, they're exactly the same. One goes in the middle, and then this one over on this side. Finally, put in your water filter. That's going to stop any compost or leaves going into your water reservoir. Then you've got your stacking clips, and you're going to just have one of these in each corner. They hold every PlantBox trough very securely together. And then the last piece is this connector clip, and you only need this if you're going to be putting your plant boxes next to each other and they connect themselves like that. Now, you can stack all your plant boxes up and then plant them in situ, but I actually prefer being nice and comfortable at my potting bench, plant them up and then get some help to stack them up. There's a whole range of plants that you can put in your plant box. So for a cool, shady corner, you can use ferns and hostas for that classy foliage look. You could do a whole wall of edibles using chives, all these lovely herbs with the mint. You could be dramatic and have a whole wall of lavender, which the bees would love. Now this is going to get quite a lot of sun, so we're going to put in some nice flowers, the lavender and some herbs. And once you're happy with them, obviously just fill in all the gaps with the compost and make sure that your water filter is clear of compost. Remember that you're creating a whole vertical garden, so when you put each plant in, just make sure that it's a little bit towards the front of each trough. When you stack the troughs, they can just stand on the ground. In every 5th trough, use the screw holes to secure PlantBox to the wall. You can use a watering can to fill up from the top, or get our watering kit, which clicks into a hose lock style attachment, and then connect that to your garden tap. The drippers can be adjusted so you can get an even water flow across your plant box.